Just past sunrise here, looking down on Burke's garden. We may plan to go down in there today, if there's a hostel open, just to get out of the rain this afternoon. Or we may just go to the shelter, and then resupply tomorrow. So we're seeing what our plans are. We're going to head out of here in a bit. Alright, it's lunchtime. We're sitting on a rock waiting for a shuttle ride into Burke's Garden, which is this Amish community area. Really beautiful. We were just going to try to go down there for lunch and maybe come back and hike to the shelter, but by the time we would have did that, and I think rain's coming this evening or afternoon, so we just didn't want to mess with the rain. And my phone's dying, so hopefully the video's still going. But we're at Virginia 623. We did 6 miles this morning. We were going to finish off and do 4.5 to the shelter, but we'll probably just do that tomorrow morning and go a little farther, get next to our next resupply. That way we don't have to carry much food. Are you asleep? Are you asleep? Where are you at?
Who?
You.
Where am I at? I'm at a hostel.
And the name of it?
Bear?
No.
No.
What are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for it. What do you think I'm waiting for?
So we're in this, like, the living room area, sitting room, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful old house.
Beautiful. I love this old house.
Sun's coming out. We're going to hit the trail. We're going to go pick up some food at an Amish store. And then we're going to hit back on the trail.
Yep.
Try to get closer as we can to...
Go show the kitchen. I love the kitchen.
oh, when I go inside.
It's like a gourmet kitchen.
Good morning, everyone. We are heading out from Virginia 623. We got some resupply. Actually, we bought sandwiches, some chips, and some nuts, and a couple candy bars from Maddie's place here in Burke's Garden, Virginia, Amish store. Very good prices. There's sandwiches, $6 for a sandwich. So we got 2 to eat for lunch for us, and then 2 for dinner. Stayed at the Mountain Garden Hostel with Doc and lemonade. It's nice. Paid $60 for a room. It was like a bed and breakfast room, so really nice. And they're getting things organized for the bubble to come in a couple weeks, I think. So it's kind of going to be cold tonight. It didn't really rain a lot last night, I don't think. But we just wanted to make sure we were out of the rain. And we needed food. We were just going to go down to town and get a sandwich, but Maddie's place was actually closed. So we ended up making a sandwich at the hostel. And we had breakfast there. And so we're pretty good with food. We only got an overnighter to get to the next resupply, so we don't need a ton of food today. So we won't go hungry. We won't go hungry. And then we just need to get far enough in today so that when we hike into the Outpost store, that we get there before it closes. Gutter says it closes at 4, so that shouldn't be too much of a problem, but we don't want to have to hike 10 miles just to get there before the store closes, so we're going to try to cut that at least in half. All right, what shelter are we at? No. What's the name of it? You see it? I think it's Jenkins, something Jenkins.
Oh.
Anyway, we stopped for lunch. Show them the sandwich we were eating and chips. We bought a big bag of chips.
Barbecue
A
sandwich.
sandwich for lunch, and we got a different sandwich for dinner.
Oh yeah.
And tomorrow we'll be able to resupply.
So heavy food, but delicious food.
Delicious food. So we're going to stop here, eat, take a little break, and then hopefully get another 5 miles or 6 miles, but at least 4.5 to
Yeah.
get to a campsite with water. And tomorrow we'll head into the Brushy Mountain Outpost store and whatever it is. And we could resupply there, get something off the grill.
A hamburger.
A hamburger. And then we'll go to a shelter. I think it's only a couple miles past. Alright, so we're walking down a road. We're heading into Brushy Mountain Outpost. They got like a little deli, and I think they make hamburgers. No, we're pretty close to it. There's the power lines for this little town down there. I don't know what that's called. There's a town called Bastion. I don't know if that's it. But that's a nice big valley over there.
Look at that house down there.
But we were walking on the ridge line. Well, not the ridge line, but on the side of the valley there, atop the mountains. But definitely on the road.
Okay, I didn't know you were recording me.
All right. Building's pretty beat up. Look at those backpacks. There's a ton of backpacks. Harrisburg, 45 miles. That's a lot of backpacks. Oh, they got ice cream? Yeah, 10 to 2. So yeah, we're lucky we got here. Closed Saturday and Sunday, so we're lucky. All right, and get a see all the backpacks all lined up. Good. We have just finished with the Brushy Mountain restaurant. So we got some burgers, packed out a little bit extra, some bologna. That's Highway 71, I believe. Down below, a little town called Bastion in that area over there. We're hiking on a ridge just from the restaurant right off the trail. Literally take a right, so that was perfect. You had to get here by 2 though to get a sandwich. Excuse me. So got some hamburger and pop. Oh! Well, don't go any farther because you may not be able to get down. Okay, let me check. Doing some road walking from the hostel. From the restaurant. That's a perfect spot. Good place to make some money.
Yeah, it is. You only have to fuel 4 hours a day if you want. Damn packet.
And then the prices were good.
Yeah.
$5 for a hamburger, cheeseburger, right? Just a regular
And
thing.
it had like a pound of bologna.
Oh yeah, that was.
Maybe 2 pounds.
What was that called? Was it the Brushy Mountain
Yes, Brushy Mountain burger.
burger? A big slab of bologna, biggest slab of bologna I ever seen on anything. So we're just walking down this road, about 2 miles to the shelter, 2+ miles to the shelter. So we should get there fairly early. I think that's probably what we'll call it a day, huh?
There's no place else to go except for 12 more miles ahead, so we don't have a choice.
So this is a neat little area. The road's cut through the rock. Now, if we ever take the 77, we'll come through here. This goes up to Kentucky and stuff. Edge of Kentucky. Then through Cincinnati, and it goes straight to Cleveland. It goes past our old place. Well, you got to just walk on the edge. It's a nice wide bridge. I mean, it's not. This isn't a freeway. This is just this road we're on. And so we're gonna cross the 77 here on the overpass. Get a shot of the traffic. Well, if you started at Springer this year and you got to here, guess how far you are. What stinks? I'm doing a video.
Honey. Oh, honey. Why are you doing that to me?
I didn't know you were going to say that.
Uh-huh. What do I say every few minutes? Whew. Yes. The stench, the hiker stench is unbelievable. I just can't, I can't.
You could have jumped in Dismal Falls.
You could have, but it's too cold for that, really.
Yeah, sure.
But I mean, I might. If it stunk that bad, whew, I might have jumped in there.
Well, so anyways, we're through this
Oh.
beautiful grassy area. We're going to about hit the road here, hit to Hostel. Our resupply place that we're counting on thought was open today. Store's closed. So luckily there's a hostel right here. And we're just going to stay there tonight and get all cleaned up. They have resupply there. And what they don't have, maybe we can run to the store and get it in the morning. But hopefully we have everything we need for the next 3 or 4 days. And then we'll be at Parisburg. And hopefully get there before the rain.
Yeah, we're gonna try.
But yeah, this was like just a little 5-mile hike to the road here from where we camped last night, and
We're gonna hike another 2 to 5 more.
well, 2 to Dismal Falls. No, we'll just have to make the 2 up tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, but anyways, we'll have. I think they make meals here, so we'll have some good cooking.
Oh,
And
gorgeous. Oh, look at it.
yeah, a lot of leaves are coming out the trees now, especially this area here on the
All those lighter greens.
against the sun, and looking like springtime.
Yep.
Unfortunately, once all the leaves come out, a lot of the views that we've been having are going to go away.
Yeah, well, we still have 1 or 2 more days of not being completely filled in.
Yeah. But again, this is just a beautiful area.
Oh, gorgeous. I'm falling in love with Virginia.
Because Virginia is for lovers.
That's right. That's right.